What's going on, Team Shinobi Squad? This is Chris, and today we are going to be doing a quick little startup on the truck today, and it's going to be a great idea because as it's been sitting for a little idea, and I might as well figure out an excuse to figure out why I should start it. So for today we're going to be starting it, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so it's been sitting for a little bit. See if it starts. That would help if I got the keys, huh? It's been sitting for a good while, about a couple weeks. Uh-oh. Psycho glow plugs, maybe. It's been a while since it started, so it's gonna need a little bit maybe. Looks like the glow plugs maybe a little bit more. It's been so long since this truck actually fired up, so got it running finally. Just gotta warm up now. That run for a bit, battery was pretty low. Guys, so that's going to end this vlog. Quick little update on the truck. Just got it running. I'm going to let it run for a little bit because it has been sitting for over a couple weeks. And I got to charge the batteries. So like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you enjoy.